With the help and support of GE Office during the second semester of 2022-2023 academic year, Dr. Kim and student partners have organized 4 blockchain workshops with industry experts. The guest speakers have not only familiarized students with the blockchain technology, but also introduced the blockchain applications in various industries.
It's to give students a platform for them to explore what blockchain solutions are all about. There's an opportunity for everyone to participate in this 21st century economy because it's mostly going to be digital. And the big challenge for digital society is trust. So in the digital world, there's a lot more challenges. Blockchain is the cornerstone of this future digital economic infrastructure. It's not very far in the future. It's being implemented today.
This will help the students to be able to translate their theoretical knowledge into practical, right? How can they use blockchain technology to solve real-life problems?
Before, I actually had no idea what a blockchain is, and I knew it was very popular nowadays, but I had no complete idea what it is. After I took the workshop, I realized how a blockchain is a decentralized ledger. During the workshop, we did a practical session where we had to set up a wallet, and of course, this would be a very useful thing for me in the future. So overall, I would say it's a very insightful experience.
Actually, I'm not familiar with blockchain before, but I just know it's a good point to invest in the future. Which impressed me most is definitely the usage in the HRM field, because HR can use the blockchain to check the accuracy of the candidate, etc. So that's very interesting.
I will encourage students to take on certifications. So there are lots of blockchain certifications out there. Take up some of these courses to increase your knowledge in the blockchain industry. I will also encourage students to participate in hackathons and blockchain competition. A typical example in Hong Kong is the Blockchain Olympiad.
There's a misconception that blockchain is only about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And a lot of students do want to build blockchain applications, but lack the background knowledge and the means to build it. So Blockchain Olympiad is a platform for bringing together academics and professionals so that they can help students explore this career opportunity.
So 2 things: one, to seek knowledge, get more certifications, and the second is to get involved in the industry. Get some Bitcoin or get some Ethereum and just play around with the applications. I think we're going to get to learn a lot from them.
After successfully holding the blockchain workshops and seeing the interest of students in blockchain applications is growing, the project team decided to organize a blockchain trainings this summer of 2023 at Hong Kong Baptist University campuses. Through these training sessions, students will have a valuable opportunity to enhance their knowledge on blockchain technology. Additionally, after the training sessions, students will have a chance to take certification tests held by Hong Kong Blockchain Society. Everyone is welcome to participate in the trainings and the certification tests.